Real Madrid signs you for a 5-year contract, but the fans will hate you because of your bad performance. You are in the top 10 players of all time, sweet, but no one will remember what you did in your career. Play a football match in the most beautiful stadium in the world, but the first person that shows up after you click share, then more, will ruin the game. Dribble the whole team defense like Messi, but you can never finish like Cristiano Ronaldo. Record a TikTok dance with the Brazilian team, but they will delete the video after 1 day.